Income and expense planning. Many people ask themselves this question. I work, I earn money, but by the end of the month, I don't know where it all went. This is a very common situation. The reason is often simple. Income and expenses are not properly planned. Earning money is important, but even more important is managing your money properly. In today's video, we will cover what income and expense planning is, why it is important, simple and effective ways to plan your finances. Let's start with the most basic question. What is income? Income is the money a person earns over a period of time. For many, this includes monthly salary, business income, side jobs or freelance work. Income can come from multiple sources. For example, business job, freelance work or side gigs, investment income. Understanding your income and controlling it is an important step for financial stability, because planning always starts with knowing how much money comes in. What are expenses? Expenses are the money we spend. Daily life has many expenses. For example, housing or rent, food, transportation, phone and internet, education. Many people know their income, but they do not track their expenses. As a result, it is difficult to know where the money goes. This is why tracking expenses is very important. Planning your income and expenses provides several important benefits. First, your money is under control. Second, unnecessary spending decreases. Third, saving becomes easier. Planned finances protect you from stress, debt, financial problems. That is why one of the main rules of financial success is spending according to a plan. The most important tool for planning income and expenses is a budget. A budget is simply your financial plan. A simple budget works like this. Write down your monthly income, list your essential expenses, allocate money for savings. This simple process allows you to control your money. It is useful to categorize your expenses. For example, essential expenses, housing, food, transport. Personal needs, leisure, entertainment, shopping. And another important category, savings. This method shows clearly where your money is going. Another important goal of planning is saving money. Experts often recommend saving at least 10 to 20% of your income. Savings can be used for emergencies, big purchases, future plans. Savings are the foundation of financial security. Conclusion. In conclusion, income and expense planning is a simple but very powerful habit. This habit helps you control your money, reduce unnecessary spending, build savings, achieve financial stability. Remember, financial success is often not about how much you earn, but about how wisely you manage what you have.